everyone, what's up? My name is Alex Bell, and welcome back to the channel. Today is 24th January 2026, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free Twitch viewers step by step. No payment required. If you're streaming on Twitch or Kick, trying to grow your channel, increase visibility, and push toward affiliate or partner, this video is for you. Recently, I tested FollowersPanda's free Twitch viewers feature, and it actually worked, so I decided to record this full tutorial to show you exactly how you can do the same. FollowersPanda is one of the oldest and most reputable social media service websites out there. It's a corporate and trusted platform that helps streamers improve their live stream visibility, engagement, and follower growth on Twitch and Kick. All right, let's jump straight into the steps. Step 1, go to the FollowersPanda website and open the menu. Step 2, from the menu options, click on Free Twitch Viewers. Step 3, you'll be redirected to the checkout page. Here, enter your Twitch username and your email ID, then click Proceed to Checkout. Step 4, a verification code will be sent to your email. Copy that code. Step 5, paste the code on the verification page, create a password, and click Proceed to Checkout again. Step 6, confirm your order. Once your order is confirmed, go to My Orders. As you can see here, the status shows processing. And just like that, you now have free Twitch viewers added to your stream. This helps improve stream visibility, social proof, and overall engagement, especially when you're live. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Twitch and Kick growth tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.